If you're noticing your dishes aren't coming out as clean or fresh smelling as they used to, it might be time to give your dishwasher a thorough cleaning. One of the best ways to maintain its performance is by learning how to clean dishwasher with cleaner, as regular maintenance prevents buildup and keeps your machine in top shape. I'll guide you through the steps to get your dishwasher working like new again. First, let's talk about why using a cleaner is important. Over time, food particles, grease, and soap scum build up inside your dishwasher, especially in hard-to-reach areas like the spray arms, filter, and walls. This residue not only causes odors, but can also interfere with the machine's effectiveness, leaving your dishes less clean. A good dishwasher cleaner breaks down these residues, removes limescale, and disinfects, ensuring every cycle is fresh and efficient. Before we begin, make sure your dishwasher is empty. To start the process of how to clean dishwasher with cleaner, first, remove the bottom rack to access the dishwasher's filter. The filter is usually at the bottom of the tub and can be easily twisted and removed. Rinse it under hot water to get rid of debris and gently scrub it with a soft brush if you notice any buildup. A clean filter is crucial for your dishwasher to drain properly and avoid clogs. Next, check the spray arms. These arms are essential for evenly distributing water and cleaner throughout the machine, so make sure there are no clogs in the holes. Use a toothpick or a pin to clear any blockages that could interfere with water flow. Now, it's time to use the cleaner itself. Place the cleaner in the dishwasher according to the product's instructions. Most often, you'll place it in the bottom of the machine or the detergent compartment. Run a hot water cycle. This hot cycle helps the cleaner dissolve any grease, scale, or hidden residue inside. Following the steps in how to clean dishwasher with cleaner ensures that every part of the machine, from the walls to the drainage system, gets a deep clean. After the cycle finishes, open the dishwasher and check the results. You should notice a fresh smell, and your dishwasher's interior should look brighter and cleaner. If you see any remaining spots or buildup, you might want to repeat the process or do a quick wipe down with a damp cloth. For best results, I recommend doing this deep cleaning at least once a month. It's a simple way to keep your dishwasher performing its best, extending the machine's life and ensuring your dishes come out sparkling clean every time. I hope this guide helps you understand how to clean dishwasher with cleaner and keeps your machine in top condition. A little maintenance goes a long way in making sure your dishwasher continues to work efficiently. If you have any questions, or if the buildup seems more severe, consider calling a professional to help. With regular care, your dishwasher will stay fresh, clean,